Okay, I'm going to do an unboxing video on stuff that I bought from eBay. This should be oil filters for my Tarago.
Something's happening.
I'm going to look at the receipt first and see what's in there. Yep, it says 10 oil filters. And it says it's for the ACR 30, which is for the RAV4, not the Tarago. Oh, that comes in the box and everything, huh? Toyota Motor Company. Okay, so even this looks fairly new because it's got the Lexus logo and the Toyota logo on it. Usually in the picture they showed it only had the Toyota logo, it didn't have the Lexus logo. That's because Lexus is owned by Toyota and a lot of the parts are interchangeable. That's what you get. Open it up. Look at that. Wow, those are pretty. 90915 YZZ E2. This is exactly what I wanted. You can tell the genuine parts by the hologram on top. I often open these up though when I get them. I make sure that they're sealed, because I've seen these a lot of times have a hole right in the center of this plastic and then they're rusted. These ones for sure are not rusted. They look awesome. And just like before, made in Thailand. Denso owns the company, so ND. I'll check a couple of other ones. I want to make sure they're all there. Same thing, sealed really well, no rust, pre-greased, so you don't really have to lay oil down on that. Very impressed. I'll have to give them a good feedback. And you can kind of see the way they packed. They're square boxes, but they're all packed with that angle, which makes me feel that they've never been out of this box. They've packed it in the box, sealed the box, that's it. So that'll go in my garage, and the next oil change will probably be on the Tarago, but it could be on the RAV4. They take both the same filters. Breakable, handle with care, this end up. Does it matter if it's this end up? That's funny that this end up. Oh no!